The Brave Little Ant and the Great Flood. Chapter 1, A Sunny Day in the Meadow. Once upon a time, in a lush green meadow, there lived a little ant named Andy. Andy was known for his hard-working nature and kind heart. Every day, he would gather food for his colony and help his fellow ants. The meadow was a beautiful place, filled with colorful flowers, buzzing bees, and fluttering butterflies. The ants lived peacefully in their anthill, working together to make their home the best it could be. Chapter 2, The Warning. One sunny morning, as Andy was out collecting food, he noticed dark clouds gathering in the sky. He felt a drop of rain on his antenna and looked up. The wise old owl, perched on a tree branch, hooted loudly, "A great flood is coming. Seek higher ground, little creatures of the meadow." Andy's heart skipped a beat. He quickly rushed back to the anthill to warn his family. "Friends, we must move to higher ground. A great flood is coming," he shouted. The other ants listened carefully, and soon, the entire colony was buzzing with activity as they prepared to move to safety. Chapter 3, The Journey Begins. The ants formed a long line and began their journey to a nearby hill. Andy led the way, making sure everyone was safe. As they marched, the rain started pouring down and the water level began to rise. The meadow, once a beautiful place, was now turning into a dangerous swamp. Despite the rising water, Andy encouraged the other ants, saying, "Keep going, we can make it. Don't lose hope." His words gave everyone the strength to carry on. Chapter 4, A Helping Hand. As they continued their journey, Andy saw a family of grasshoppers struggling to stay afloat in the floodwaters. Without hesitation, he called out to his fellow ants, "We must help them." The ants formed a chain, and with Andy's guidance, they managed to pull the grasshoppers to safety. The grateful grasshoppers joined the ants on their journey, and together they made their way to the hill. Along the way, they also helped a stranded ladybug and a group of butterflies whose wings were too wet to fly. Chapter 5, Reaching Safety. After a long and challenging journey, the ants, grasshoppers, ladybug, and butterflies finally reached the hill. They were tired and wet, but they were safe. The rain continued to pour, and the meadow was now completely flooded. They huddled together under a large leaf, sharing stories and keeping each other warm. The wise old owl flew by and said, "You have shown great courage and kindness, little ant. Because of you, many lives were saved today." Chapter 6, A New Beginning. The next day, the rain stopped and the sun came out, shining brightly on the meadow. The water began to recede, and the animals slowly made their way back to their homes. The meadow was damaged, but the ants and their new friends were determined to rebuild it. Andy and the other ants worked tirelessly to repair their anthill and gather food. The grasshoppers, ladybug, and butterflies helped in any way they could. The meadow once again became a place of beauty and harmony, thanks to the bravery and kindness of a little ant named Andy. Moral of the story: by helping others and working together, we can achieve great things and create a better world for everyone. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing moral stories.